How to delete all friends on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile. Now, tap on Friends. Over here, you can view all your friends on Facebook. If you want to remove any friend, then tap on the three dots beside their name. Then, tap on Unfriend at the bottom. Tap on OK to confirm. You have now successfully removed this person. You can now repeat the same steps to remove all your other friends. Following these steps, you can easily delete all friends on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.